Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about a major new safety feature rolling out in ChatGPT, one that attempts to predict how old you are automatically. OpenAI has announced that it's adding an age prediction system to ChatGPT, aiming to identify accounts that likely belong to users under 18. Rather than relying only on the age you tell the app, this system looks at behavioral and account level signals, things like when you use the service, how long your account has existed, usage patterns, and even your stated age if provided. When ChatGPT suspects an account belongs to someone under 18, it automatically applies extra safety protections to limit access to sensitive content. OpenAI says this builds on existing teen safety measures to make the platform safer for younger users. If an adult account is mistakenly restricted, full access can be restored by verifying age through a secure selfie check with Persona. The feature is rolling out globally, with some regions, including the EU, receiving it in the coming weeks. So while ChatGPT won't literally ask you upfront for your age every time you log in, this new prediction system means your age may be estimated based on how you interact with the platform. That information then helps tailor what kinds of content the chatbot makes available or restricts. Let me know in the comments what you think about this age prediction feature. Does it strike the right balance between safety and privacy? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.